So hello guys, welcome to my new channel. You must be thinking my throat is this. Yes, my throat is. So guys, today I'm going to show you my car collection. This is my first car, Bentley. It is a very nice look. Very nice car this is. Next car was my Lamborghini. It is good friend back. And next car is my favorite car, Ferrari. It is a magnet car. It can even stick. It can get stick on this all. But you need little Pepsi. So guys, let's go back to the video. This is one car. I forgot its name. What's the name? Guys, comment down below what is this car's name. Next is my remote control Ferrari. I don't know where is that remote. You just need charging it to work. I showed you in the last video that Ferrari. Another car also. Guys, comment down also this is which car. Comment down below. And I got one Hot Wheel monster truck. Guys, from all these cars, which you like the most? Why is it chemical? From all, guys, sorry, I just threw the phone now. From all these cars, which is the greatest one? Comment down below, guys. So, guys, if you enjoy the video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.